Hey everyone! So in this video, I will teach you that how to create a sub account in GoHighLevel. So this is also a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So I will show you exactly step-by-step everything. So if you are running a marketing agency or you are managing, more than one client, like multiple clients, or even, these sub accounts are mandatory and essential for keeping everything organized. So let's dive in. So you can see here now what is a sub account. So before we start, let's understand what a sub account actually is. So in the GoHighLevel, a sub account is just like, it's just like a separate workspace for each and every client or project. Like you can see here, click here to switch. So we can switch to the sub account. So if I switch to this one, so you can see now I'm in sub account. So it allows me to manage, automations and funnels, sites, and contacts independently without mixing the data between multiple clients. So this is an incredible thing. So now we are in the sub account view. So we can go to this and switch to agency view. So we need to create, so when we need to create this sub account, so we need to switch to the agency view. And now here you can see, so once you are in the GoHighLevel agency dashboard, on the left side, you can see here sub accounts. So just navigate to the sub accounts option. And now click on the create sub account. You can see we have like the one and create sub account. Now you can see there are some things that you need to know. So in this step, you need to choose industry, snapshot. So this is the next. Like in this section, GoHighLevel gives you the option to choose a snapshot. These are snapshot templates, so which is basically a pre-built setup designed for a specific industry like real estate, salons, or fitness. So you can see here accounting from like affiliate marketing agency, bakery, or these are different, you can see. And education tutor, for example, event planner, all these, categories you can see here. So this is incredible. And a lot of categories you can find here. So you can select according to, your category. So we will select here like, this graphic design. So select and continue. Now here, the location wants, so you can allow while visiting the site. So you can search by name here, for example, like this, I online code, Jalawala Road, Faisalabad, Pakistan. If you want, you can select this, or you can add manually also from here. Like the first name, email, business name, each and everything you can select here. Or if you want, like But IT Solutions, Lower Canal Road, Faisalabad, Pakistan. So you can select like this. So you can see the address also showing because it's already, on Google Maps. So we can see here, but IT Solutions, the business is here. So here you can type like, the name and email, for example. And business niche, you can select here, a lot of things you can see here. For example, if we type like design institute or, fashion design school, I just type design. So I can see like, graphic designer, for example. Here we can type the business phone, or it was already showing like this because it's fetched from the Google Maps, like, and the address also you can see here, and the website if they have. It's not mandatory, but The field is not mandatory, but if they have, so you can select here, like ionlineco.com. And the time zone, you can select according to the client, region. And default sample data for news automatically includes sample data when creating future sub accounts. So you can add sample data to the sub account, manage future defaults, but if you don't want, you can. And this is my client's account, or this is my own account. So this is up to you. If you are adding the client account, then you will select this. Or if your own account, agency sub accounts can be used for managing SaaS clients and also for the rebilling. So you can select this option. I will select like this is my client account and add sub account. So you can see it has been added. Okay. So now you can see But IT Solutions. You can see, if we see here, the But IT Solutions is here, all accounts. And the basic details we added, you can see here, you can add their social links, in detail, everything is here. The task you can create, notes you can create, and there are more navigation options you can see here, like SaaS, features and limits, rebilling, reselling, marketplace, and advanced settings of, email, and you can see like SMS limit settings, advanced email settings, calendar settings. And if you want to switch to this, so you can go to But IT Solutions. So here now we can see we are in the dashboard of our sub account. You can see here now it is showing But IT Solutions. So I can switch anytime to another sub account, or I can switch to my agency view anytime. So you can see here, like this dashboard, these options are different from the agency dashboard. See, if I go to the agency view, so this have like sub accounts, account snapshot, SaaS education, these things. But if we go to like, sub account, so this has other options. So you can see conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, AI agents, marketing, automation sites. In future, I will definitely make a video about the dashboard overview and also the settings overview for the sub account. Agency, we have discussed about the agency settings overview review I did in the previous video. You can see in the playlist in the previous video I did. And for the sub account, definitely in the upcoming videos we will do. So in this video, we have learned about how to create a sub account, and we can access it as I explained to you. And these sub accounts, why these sub accounts are important, because sub accounts help agencies manage multiple clients in one place without confusion. So this is the main thing. So you can customize branding, you can connect domains, you can also create automations, and even set up billing for each client individually. Incredible. So you can do a lot of things, categorically and systematically and professionally. And that's how you create a sub account in GoHighLevel. It's simple, organized, and also perfect for the agencies who manage their different multiple clients or various clients or business units. So if the video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and also comment below. And, we will continue this series, and inshallah, we will learn a lot of things about GoHighLevel step by step in this playlist. Share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much once again.